Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss chapter 5. That one is acids, bases, and salts. In previous class, you have read what are acids, bases, and salts. I hope all of you will remember. Let's recapitulate you once again. I am giving definitions of all one by one. First one is what are acids? Okay, an acid is a substance whose water solution are sour in taste. What? Sour in taste. It turns blue litmus paper red. Turns blue litmus paper into red. Now what are acids? Substance which are sour in taste and which turns blue litmus paper red. What are base or bases? A base is a substance whose water solution are bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. B stands for base, B stands for bitter. Okay, and they are soapy to touch. To touch, soft. It turns red litmus paper to blue. B stands for base, B stands for bitter, B stands for blue. Now easy to remember? Okay, now we will read third category. What are salts? A neutral substance whose aqueous solution does not affect red and blue litmus paper. No effect on litmus paper. I will give you here one example. Before giving example, I will tell you how that salts are formed. When acid, any acid, reacts with base, it gives us salt plus water. In any reaction where water are formed and some salt is formed, that reaction is neutralization reaction and that product is called salt. With the help of one example, I will explain you. Acid, let's take hydrochloric acid. When it reacts with any base, strong base, sodium hydroxide, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide. Then a salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. Plus water is formed. Sorry. H2 is the symbol of water. Clear? Acid, HCl is strong acid. NaOH strong base. When both react with each other, it will give us sodium chloride, a salt, plus water. Clear? Acids which are sour in taste turns blue litmus paper red. Bases bitter in taste, soapy to touch, and turns red litmus paper blue. B for base, B for bitter, B for blue. Salt, a substance whose aqueous solution does not effect on red or blue litmus paper. No effect. With one example I have already cleared. Hydrochloric acid, when react with sodium hydroxide, it will give us sodium chloride plus water. Student, is it clear? Now, today activity, all of you will find four names of acids, bases and salts which is available in your home. Tomorrow we will meet again with your next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Make notes.